Hello friends, today I'll tell you what is serum. I'll answer your some questions like what is serum, when to apply, how to apply and why to apply. All those questions I'll be answering today in this video. So I hope you like my video, and if you are seeing my face for the first time, then hello, I am Dhruvi and I upload my new videos on every Sunday, and if you haven't subscribed then do subscribe and don't forget to give thumbs up. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, so serum is this, like it comes in a bottle something like this, and it's in a liquid form. I am using Streaks hair serum. There are many other serums which come like Livon, L'Oreal and many other, but this is what I have used first, and I have nothing used any other thing to compare with, so I have no idea of other products and I am using this. This is quite good, but I would love to try other serums also. Okay, so the first question is what is serum? It works as a magic. Serum is like a liquid solution which we have to apply after we wash our hair. So once we wash our hair and our hair is wet, on that only we have to apply. The first thing we have to do is apply serum and then comb our hair. First thing it will do is that it will protect your hair from sun, dust, pollution and many other things. It works as a sunscreen you apply on the skin. So it will literally protect your hair, and it will remove all the tangles from your hair. And the third thing it will do is that it will make it tangle free. Like since you have applied serum, there are very less chances for your hair to get tangled when you go outside and when you go in dusty areas, especially in India and in Mumbai, and the dust and air outside, I don't need to tell anything. And for the people having long hair like me and always having tangles in hair, to remove those tangles you can use serum. Use little drop of serum and it will be applied on whole of your hair. Like I have this bottle and I am using it since last almost 4 to 5 months. I don't apply every day. I apply when I wash my hair and when there are so much of tangles in my hair. So like there are only two options: either break your hair while combing and removing the tangles, or either apply serum and make it easy go. So obviously we'll apply serum and we'll let it go easy instead of breaking our hair and feeling worst. Okay, so I'll show you a demo. Like see my hair, there are tangles in my hair. I haven't combed it. See, there are tangles. Here also there are tangles, and my hair are frizzy. For the people who don't know what is frizzy hair means your hair is not in a straight, or some hair are coming out from here, they are in the air and they are coming out and they are not in a straight and proper form. So it will avoid even frizziness in your hair, and it will give shine to your hair and look smooth and give very shiny look to your hair. So I'll apply. See, I am taking only a drop. Since my hair are long, I'll take 2 drops, but you can take 1 drop. And if you are a guy and you have short hair, just take little drop, means half of the drop. Okay, so I'll do. And if you need more, you think that there is nothing on your hands, you can take little more. Apply like this. Don't apply on your scalp, just apply on your hair, and apply more on the roots as they are dry. They tend to be dry more. So apply on your roots, and just when it's done, apply on your forehead. Like apply less serum over here and more on your below hair. Now if you comb, it goes smooth. Yes, there are knots, but it goes smooth and it don't break your hair. It even gives shine to your hair. See, there is no hair on my comb. There is no breakage, if you guys can see. So that's it. And if you guys are wondering that should I apply serum, will it damage my hair or anything such, so always remember, applying some good thing on your hair will never damage your hair. It will protect your hair. Like on old ages, it was said that only apply oil and shampoo. But now, since the air is very polluted and there is very dusty areas outside, so we have to apply conditioner, serum and all those things. Like firstly, people used to say that don't apply anything on your skin, but now we do apply sunscreen, moisturizers and all those things. Similarly, serum works as your sunscreen and it will protect your hair from sun and it gives a very nice shine to your hair. So using serum, not using serum, it's all your call. Just I told you guys that what actually serum is. So for the people who don't know what serum is, I hope you guys know what exactly serum is and what it does. So that's it for today, and if you have any doubts, feel free to comment below or you can DM me on Instagram. I'll definitely reply. And that's it for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in next video next Sunday. Bye bye.